In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress image in Squoosh for website. We'll use a free browser-based tool to reduce file size while keeping your images looking crisp, which helps your pages load faster and improves user experience. I'll walk you through each action and share helpful context so you know exactly what's happening and why. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Squoosh website. Squoosh runs entirely in the browser, so there's nothing to install, and your images stay on your device during the process. Once the page loads, look for the large area that says Drop or Paste. This is the main entry point for your image. You can drag a file from your desktop, click to browse your computer, or paste an image you've copied to your clipboard. After that, choose the image you want to optimize. For best results on the web, start with a reasonably high-quality source file, like a PNG or a high-resolution JPEG. Squoosh will open it in a split-screen preview, showing before and after so you can compare quality as you adjust settings. Next, click the Format drop-down in the right-hand panel. This is where you pick your output format. Select WebP. WebP is a modern, web-friendly format that typically yields smaller files than JPEG or PNG at similar visual quality, and it's widely supported by current browsers. Switching to WebP is one of the quickest wins for cutting image size. Now click on Resize. Resizing is crucial because overly large dimensions waste bandwidth. For this example, set the width to 1600 and the height to 900. That's a common 16.9 size that works well for hero images and large banners. If the aspect ratio of your original is different, be mindful of distortion. Adjust thoughtfully so the image still looks natural. Keep an eye on the preview as you type the values to ensure the composition remains clean and nothing important gets cropped or squished. Finally, set quality to 100. In Squoosh, quality controls compression strength for formats like WebP. A value of 100 prioritizes maximum visual fidelity. This is useful when you want to preserve fine detail or you're preparing a master web version before deciding whether to reduce quality slightly. Keep an eye on the estimated file size indicator so you understand the trade-off between image clarity and download weight. That's it. You've opened Squoosh, dropped in your image, selected WebP, resized to 1600 by 900, and set quality to 100. With these settings, you maintain strong visual quality in a modern format that's ideal for websites. Thanks for watching and enjoy faster loading pages with better looking images.